Where do you like to go shopping?
I enjoy going to the mall near my home because it has a great variety of stores. It's very convenient to find everything I need in one place.
What kind of shopping do you find boring?
I don't really enjoy grocery shopping. It's kind of boring to wander around the store looking for things I need. I'd rather shop for clothes or gadgets where I can check out cool new stuff.
Do you prefer to shop online or in physical stores?
I like going to actual stores because I can see and touch things before buying. But online shopping is super handy for rare items or when I'm busy.
What was the last thing you bought for yourself?
The last thing I bought for myself was a cozy sweater. I wanted something warm and stylish to wear.
Thank you for watching. Please do not forget to comment and subscribe.